Why don't you just let go and quiet down your ego? Don't complain about finance. I know your daddy wasn't a real man. Go ahead and live your dreams. To me, you're stronger than a whole team. I know you can't relax, and you don't want me to know that.
Hello, my gingerbread and jelly bean. Welcome back to an episode of JVLOGS. Now, today I want to say thanks to everybody that subscribed, and I'm really back with another video. I don't even know if this is the same shirt I had on when I made the video, but anyhow, I think it's the same shirt, you know. Is it? Yeah, well, it might be the same shirt. Anyway, my shirt clean, and I'm gonna wear my shirt them and repeat on my shirt them on me buy them. But anyway, as I want to say, thanks to everybody that tuned into the channel, thanks to everybody that support the channel. Again, I'm going to put in more effort to make more videos, and here I am. That's what I'm currently doing. Now today I want to talk about the videos that I posted previously and the comments that I get from them. So I just want to talk about that and just probably go into our next topic while talking about that at the same time. So please listen out to what I'm about to say. Now, I made my most popular video or most successful video is basically getting to know like 5 things you need to know when dating a Jamaican man and stuff. Females love that, and people been asking me questions about that. However, I'm going to focus on negative aspect of it in a sense. People always say, oh well, not all Jamaicans are like that, not all Jamaicans are sweet like that. Why you don't talk about like the negative Jamaican, the negative stereotypes, stuff like that. My answer to that is why I don't focus on the negative things. I don't live my life in a negative way. I don't live my life spewing negativity all over the internet. I don't spew negativity towards my friend. I live in the positive realm. Yes, this is real. Yes, abuse is real. Yes, some Jamaican men are trash. Not all of them are nice. But I can only speak from experience. I can only speak from the people I'm around. I choose to speak about that. I didn't grow up in a household where my father abused my mother because my father died when I was 5 years old. I grew up with my mommy and my sisters. However, mommy had boyfriends and stuff like that. They weren't abusive. Yes, they might fight here and there, but it wasn't a case where my mommy was weak and her boyfriend beat up on her and stuff like that. No, my mommy is actually a warrior, and she'll fight and beat up men or people. But I never really grew up in a toxic environment like that. I grew up around love, and that is what I spread. So yes, I know that there's abuse, and abuse is real, and people face that. However, the way I treat female is different. I can speak from my experience and my friends after I'm around, even my friends from high school now, even my friend John, big up John, has his wife now. Most of my friends, like male friends, they don't abuse their girlfriends. So it's not like I'm seeing these things or I'm around. So I can't really feed into that. I choose not to feed into it. Yes, a lot of you females are, a lot of you females experience this, or you experience the worst Jamaican guys, but I can't speak for it. I won't speak for it because it's not something that I can say, alright, boom, I seen that and I seen beat her and I see no. Like, not everybody is the same, and I choose to speak on the positive aspect of the stereotype and Jamaican men. So you're going to get that positive from me. If you want negative, go to other female channel or male channel where they talk negative about Jamaican man, but you won't get that from me. So I'm not saying that when you comment on my videos or when you see my videos, don't expect to see negativity. I'm here to uplift and inspire people. I'm here to encourage people. That's my job. That's why I do YouTube, not to tear down people or tear down our culture. Yes, I can say so much negative stuff about other culture or my culture, but I choose not to. It's a choice that we make. You have other people, that is what they do, that is what they're good at. I'm not good at spewing negativity, not because I can't, but because I choose not to. The choice is mine. What we do, what we put out there for people to consume. And if I'm living a certain type of way, I can't be on the internet playing a fool and being a fool and be like, oh, you should do this and do that, and then I'm living a different type of lifestyle. I'm not going to mislead my subscribers. I'm not going to mislead people to get views. I'm not going, like, that's too petty. That's not me. That is not my job. My job is to inspire people, spread positivity, help people, encourage them. That is my job. And if you watch my previous video, you'd see that consistency. No matter what interaction or encounter I have with people that I met online or wherever, you won't see me spew negativity. Yes, I'll defend myself and I'll talk about certain stuff, but you won't find that. So for all the people that commented and will comment in the future about, oh, you're not talking about this type of Jamaican, go to somebody else's page that speak negatively towards other culture, negatively towards Jamaicans, Jamaican men, Jamaican women. Go there. You won't find it on Mark Plunkett JVlog channel. You won't find it there. So you're going to get positive energy from me. Go somewhere else where you can get negative. And I'm literally sending you over there, like wherever over there is, find a way over there. Go over that side there. But anyway, so yeah, so let's wrap up that. Yes, I'm going to speak from the positive aspect of it. No, I would like to say to you that sometimes we're in relationships and sometimes things get really hard, sometimes things get really tough, and oftentimes people give up on you. And even though you're a good person, you might be a good person and the person give up on you, but don't give in. Don't change who you are. Don't become worse. Always be better. Always rise above. Yes, it is hard and it sounds so easy, but it is way harder to do it. But if you're a good person, if you're kind-hearted, just change how you deal with that individual or how you deal with those individuals. Don't change who you are. Don't let them control the narrative. Don't let them control you. Because once you let somebody control your narrative, then you're a puppet to them. You now live for them. You basically do what they say or do what they're expecting you to do. So they'll push you, they'll fight you, they want you to fight back because that's what they're used to. But you have to rise above and realize, this is me. I'm kind, I'm sweet, I'm loving, I'm caring, and I'm going to treat everybody that way. However, the person that hurt me, I'm going to treat you differently because you showed me who you are. So now I'm going to treat you differently. But I'm going to still give other people an opportunity that deserve to be treated good, that deserve to be loved. I'm going to give them a chance. I'm going to continue to love and care for those people. But I have you in a bubble now that, alright, this is where you are and this is where I have you, and I won't let you hurt me again. So you have to kind of look at it in that sense, but don't change who you are entirely because somebody hurt you, because somebody treated you bad. You're going to now treat everybody bad. No, that's like a major shift from you, from the natural you, from the loving, caring, kind, sweet, considerate you. So don't change that because that is vital. Doing good, helping people, loving people, sharing with people is very good. It is very important because it's pleasing. It helps you as an individual to be more confident, to live a better life, to be less stressed. Doing good, helping others, stuff like that, it gives you a sense of pride, a sense of joy, like a deep inner joy that comes out. You love yourself more, you love what you do. So stick to the positive, stay positive, continue to love people regardless, continue to do good, and those cut out all the negative because there's so much negative things going on around us nowadays. It's hard to really stay positive. So that's my advice to each and everybody that want this advice or want to receive that advice. Just stay positive. Just channel the negative energy away from yourself and just continue to be you, no matter how hurt you are or how much people hurt you. Just just be good. So that is what I have to say. I hope everybody is okay. Thanks for watching JVLOGS. Really appreciate the support. Thanks a whole lot. Oh, if you want to subscribe. Well, if you want to, you're supposed to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. If you want to support my Gofundme, I still kind of have the Gofundme, although I use the money, but I'm going to put it back to get the camera. But I'm just saying, if you still want to support me, I still have that going on that you can support me. But yeah, things came up and I had to use the money to do other important stuff in life, pay bills and stuff. But yeah, if you want to help me, you can help me. But yeah, thanks for watching JVLOGS again. I really appreciate it. I'm out.